Welcome back to the video, guys. Your boy Hollywood here, and we got the V4 out looking beautiful as ever. We got Millie out here. We got his brother. Ready to go hit some little twisties this morning. But first, we need to get an energy drink because it is currently 7:22 a.m. I woke up at 6 originally, but I freaking felt like asleep after Millie texted me. I felt pretty bad. He was outside waiting on me. But yeah, we're gonna hit some twisties, and then we're gonna come back and get ready for the event. Which one do I want, man? They don't have a lot of Celsius options to choose from. Fuck it, you can't go wrong with old reliable. Man, I haven't really been drinking Red Bulls lately. I've been drinking Celsius, it's like a cola flavored Celsius. But this will do. Yeah, type shit. Alright, I'm gonna chug this and then we're gonna get on the road. We got about a 20-minute drive over to the twisties. And once we get there, we're probably just going to go straight into riding it. I'm probably not going to take a little break. That way, we get the most time to enjoy it. We ain't got to stop. We can just stay on the bikes. Bro, we haven't even left yet. And we got some ops lurking over there. Man, they are on it early today. Oh, boy. Alright, we made it, boys. I've never taken this route before. I don't know this road, but I got the GPS pulled up. We should be good. I do watch my GPS when I go to new twisties. Dang, he's cutting up already. Quick rip. Oh. Shout out to the boy Fast Flow for telling us about this. This is sick already. We gotta caught with a truck. This is just like Tail of the Dragon, bro. You're gonna catch up with the vehicle at some point. Oh man, I feel it already. The soreness setting in. What up, boy Millie? Oh man, I hope it didn't go down. Boy Millie taking his time back there. Oh, don't do that. That's blind, brother. That's blind. Oh, that's bad habits. You can't do that, man. You can't see. Yes, sir. Come on, boy! Come on, boy! Come on, boy! You're not leaving me! Dude, he's fucking fast! He's not even leading either! Like, I'm fast on some shit I don't know, but what the fuck? Ah, this is what I live for. Yeah, never fails. Never fucking fails. I can't really tell. He's so far from me. I don't know what he's up there doing. I'll say one thing. That boy bold. I don't think he has, because when I go to new places like that has twisties and it's super long, I will always put in my GPS a pin so that way we don't go too far, but also it shows the curves of them on my screen. And I know you can't really rely on that, and you got cars coming and stuff like that, but it's a good understanding on how these turns are going to be when they're coming up so you can prepare yourself. But I've also been riding twisties for a hot minute now, so I can kind of, even if it comes up on me quick, I can kind of improvise a little bit. And I know somebody's gonna point out, well, why did you improvise when you're on those back roads with Sparks? First of all, I didn't have a back brake, alright? So, we ain't talking about that. Gonna lead the pack. Come on, guys, follow me. Up. Hey, up. What you doing? Hey, hey, we need to pull up. Hey. Oh my God, slow down. Buddy, where are you going? Pull over. Pull over. Somewhere. First of all, we gotta call Millie and see where he's at. The boy got left. Alright, I'm about to call Millie, see where he's at. And then, oh, there he is. He's right there behind us. Alright, well now we just gotta turn around. Dude, yeah. Bro, I will say, I'm not trying to get on you, but you passed that car at a bad time. It was totally blind. I was like, no! Yeah. Yeah. All good? I'll lead. Alrighty, boys. We're gonna head back. We got the whole gang with us. I'm leading this time. So, if I don't do anything, they're not gonna do anything. So we can kind of get a little bit of order. Like I just said, he did pass at a bad time. I wasn't getting on to him. It was just trying to make sure everybody's safe when we get back in one piece, man. That was pretty scary. I've seen, not my friends, but I've seen people go around cars in blind turns before, and it did not end very well. Hi! There's nothing like some early morning twisties to wake your ass up. Let's go, baby. Alright, you don't want to scare this guy. Get out of his way. Oh my god, my hips, bro. My hips are so worn right now. Man, let's go, baby. My freaking hips are destroyed, son. They are fucking destroyed. Oh, man. Oh. Ah. Dude, those roads are insane. Yeah, you were leaning over a good bit. Going up there, I noticed, like, I mean, obviously you're not like me where I can hang out the bike and be comfortable, but like when you're leaning, your body's leaning, but like your upper body is like still trying to stay upright. Yeah, the more you lean into it, and like, I mean, it just takes time. You just gotta do it little by little.
On the way back, I was like, yeah, my elbows, like my body position is right here, like my chest isn't going anywhere, so I'm trying to like go like that.
Oh yeah, but yeah, I'm breaking these tires in pretty good. Woo! There, that boy. He couldn't brake hard enough. He's coming in way too hot. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah.
The first time I was doing like 60. This time around I was doing 75, 80.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, there were some parts where I was like still learning to trust the bike a little bit.
Yeah. That road is definitely fun.
But that's a fucking good ass road, dude.
That's like, it's not as curvy as Tail of the Dragon, but this one's like a lot more like long sweepers. Yeah. That's what I like.
That's where you can like really like test like how far you can lean.
Yeah.
Like you have a lot of space on the turn to kind of get comfortable.
Yeah. Hell yeah, brother. That boy getting that thing over. I see you.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't even get to, I saw him riding. I didn't get to see you riding.
Yeah.
And he was asking.
He's a better rider than me. He's been riding for 2 years. I've only been riding for like 9 months.
Damn. I thought you'd been riding longer than that.
Shit, bro. This one almost went to the end.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh, you've been putting shit on now.
I see you, son. All right, y'all ready to head back?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
All right, cool. Currently coming up over this bridge that we were riding up under down there on that road. That's dang. Not gonna really be able to see much. It's just road, I think. Yeah, just road. But it is a beautiful view with all the houses and stuff like that down there. All the mountain tops. Dang, love a good bridge, man. I love a good bridge. Yeah, we're gonna head back to the Airbnb now and link up with everybody else and see what we got going on for the day. But if you guys enjoyed that video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Comment down below your favorite part. Comment down below if I need to improve anything on my riding skill, if I missed anything of that sort. And where you get, ride safe, don't get caught in the rain, keep chasing greatness, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace!